Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how you can reduce the audio volume for your videos on Shotcut. So it is super simple and you will need only a few clicks to achieve that. So guys, let's get started. The first step, launch Shotcut and add a couple of video clips and audio clips to your playlist by clicking open file here and by locating these files on your device, just like that. Next, add a video track here to your timeline by clicking on timeline on these three horizontal lines by adding a video track and also an audio track. Next, position the video clips on a video track and your audio recording, like for example a voiceover or background music or sound effects here on the audio track, just like that. Just to position, cut and trim your video clips and so on and so forth. Guys, let us skip this and let me just show you how you can reduce, for example, the volume of your audio track. So what you want to do is left click on your audio recording here on your audio track, head over to filters here, click on that plus icon and look for a filter called gain/volume. You can also bookmark it if you like by clicking on that star icon here. And after that, simply apply a custom volume level by simply moving that slider here to the left or to the right level. For example, if you move it to the right, you will make your audio louder or the volume louder, turn it up. Or if you'd like to reduce the volume, simply move that slider to the left, like -1 decibel or -2, -5 to make your volume, to turn it down. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.